Temmieholla, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be making YouTube banner. Let's make YouTube banner in 5 minutes. Yes, the reason why I want to make this banner is because I struggle making my banner, and that's because I watched so many YouTubers make this cute tiny banner. At the end of the day, it ended up not fitting, so I found out that I could just use my Canva app to search for banner, and at the end of the day I prefer the one I did in just 5 minutes. Yes, in just 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. So guys, just stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is go on your Canva app, launch your Canva, then go to the home page and the search bar, then type in YouTube banner. Then yes, it's just gonna pop up like this. Then you're just going to scroll through whatever design. There's so many amazing designs here, so you're just going to choose one of those designs. So I'm going to choose this one, and this particular design has an error for freebies. They're not going to allow you save this particular design if you're not paid, but you know, we can get through this. That's why we need to be creative about this. So the first thing we want to work on is the pro version problem. Yes, we need to remove the problem. So the thing you have to do is click on the arrow at the top, then you will see it has problem. As you can see, this has two problems. The one with the 2 times premium. If you have Canva Pro, you don't have to worry about this, but since I don't have Canva Pro, and I know most people want to use apps for free, so what we're going to do is, we can see the first object is this one, then we're going to go back. We need to remove that particular object, which is this flower. So what you want to do is tap on the picture and go to layers. Then you're going to scroll down, which is, it's the background picture. So what you're going to do is remove it like that. Yes, so we need to replace it, right? But first of all, let's remove the other problem, which is the picture. After all, we don't need it, right? So what we're going to do is, I love the flower, so what we're going to do is go on Pinterest and see if we're going to see something that is nice in Pinterest. So let's go. So I'm just going to type in grass flower. Yes, just something like that. So I'm just going to scroll and look for something that is similar. Even if it's not similar, we just need to look for something to replace the beauty. Yes, same goes to so many pictures on that Canva app. So in case there's anything you remove, you could look for another object that is similar to it. I'll just pick this one. So the next thing I want to do is remove the background, right? So I'll just go on Safari and type in remove BG to bring you to this site. So all you have to do is upload the picture you just saved from Pinterest, and it will remove the background, then download it. So going back to Canva, then what you have to do next is give it a color. So I'm going to choose brown. Then the next thing we're going to do is click on the plus button, go to upload. Then I'm going to upload the picture of the flower I just saved, right? Yes, just like that. Then we're just trying to make it, we're just going to zoom it. Yes, after zooming your flower out, what you want to do is change the layer. You tap on the flower, then click on position, then take it backward. Make sure it all goes backward. Keep tapping on backwards, it goes backward. Now try to make it fit in by zooming in. Yes, zoom it in and just make it fit in apparently. Now what you want to do is go on your Safari, type in YouTube banner size, then it's going to bring out this one, then click on this one and then download it. The reason why we download the size picture is because we want to be sure of the size, right? So we need to measure it in order not to just work for nothing. At the end of the day, then our picture is not going to fit in. So what you want to do is tap on the plus button to spot the picture we just saved, right? So you go on upload, then you bring out this. Then what you want to do is make it fit in, then drag it to, yes, that's the banner size. Then go to transparency, then bring it down to 67. The font banner size really is the part that has the black frame. Yes, if you check the part at the middle that has the deep black frame, the deeper one that is at the middle, that's where the size is supposed to be, right? That is, we need to fit everything in that side. So I just studied how the size look like. I can see the writing I have the side. So what I'm just going to do is make the writing, I'll make it smaller, I'll make everything smaller, and Yes, then the circle that is beside it, I'm just going to make everything small. Yes, I'm just going to resize it, due to the banner size thing. Let's just follow the procedure.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing.
So I'll bring back the banner size picture again. I'll use to check if it's correct. But I know it's not correct at this time, but I just feel like we're almost there. So let's see how it goes. Then I'm going to turn down the opacity, bring the transparency down, just to see what it looks like. I still need to resize. Okay, let's go. So now let's try to fix our picture in. Also remember to change your name. Yes, put whatever information are supposed to like fit in that category. So I'm just going to choose this picture right here, and it automatically goes in. How cute and simple the banner looks like. So now let's upload it and see what it looks like. We're going to click on the top of the arrow right there, click on download, and make sure it's on the PNG suggested. Yes, then download your stuff. Then after downloading, we need to go check it out on YouTube. Let's see how it looks like, right? Switch to my other YouTube. I don't want to use my main YouTube, so I don't have anything on this one. So let's just see what this one looks like right now. So I have to switch my phone mode to brightening light, right? So we're going to see what it looks like really. And this is what it looks like right now. What do you think, guys? I feel like it's pretty, like it's simple and like very nice. So that will be the end of this video. Please do also subscribe and like the video. Drop your thoughts, whatever it is, please. And I'm going to be dropping a better way to make a better banner. This is just a quick tip. Take care of yourself. Bye. I love you.